Matplotlib is the grandfather of Python data visualization. 24 years ago, John D. Hunter created it, inspired by MATLAB. Today, it powers virtually every data science and machine learning pipeline in Python. With over 22,000 GitHub stars and 215 million monthly downloads, Matplotlib is the most widely used plotting library in the Python ecosystem. It's maintained by the Matplotlib development team under NumFOCUS. Matplotlib can create publication-quality plots in just 3 lines of code. Import pyplot, call plot, and show. From simple line charts to complex contour maps, heat maps, histograms, box plots, pie charts, and 3D surface plots. It supports multiple backends. Save static plots as PNG, SVG, or PDF for your research papers. Create animated GIFs or MP4s with Func animation. Build interactive figures that zoom, pan, and update in real time inside Jupyter notebooks or GUI applications. The ecosystem around Matplotlib is enormous. Seaborn for statistical graphics, Cartopy for geographic maps, HoloViews for declarative visualization, and plotnine for a grammar of graphics approach. Over 50 third-party packages are built on Matplotlib. Customization is unmatched. You control every pixel. Built-in style sheets for ggplot, Seaborn, and 538 looks. Color maps like Voridis, Plasma, and Magma. Complete control over fonts, axes, tick marks, and legends. Your plots, your way. Installing is as simple as pip install Matplotlib. With over 1,000 gallery examples, comprehensive documentation, and one of the most active Stack Overflow tags, getting started has never been easier. Whether you are building data dashboards, publishing scientific papers, training machine learning models, or just exploring data, Matplotlib is the standard. 24 years of open source development, backed by NumFOCUS, trusted by millions. Start visualizing at matplotlib.org.